Everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today I'm making breakfast recipe which is very easy. It's called as Kande Pohe, Marathi recipe made at every Marathi household. So let's begin. So for this I've taken 2 cups of thick poha and I'm going to add some water to this, and I'm going to soak this poha in this water for exactly 2 minutes, not more than that. Okay, and then we will drain the water. Okay, so after 2 minutes I have drained the water and washed the pohas, and now they are looking like this and they are quite wet now, and this is enough because we'll be cooking them, so they will be cooked further. So now let's go to the pan. Now to this pan I have heated this pan now. Now to this pan I'm going to add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and let's heat up the oil. I have taken 2 cups of poha, so for this I am taking 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up. Now we are going to put first hing, that is asafoetida. As you can see, around half a teaspoon of hing. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of rai and 1 tablespoon of jeera. I like to take a mix of both. You can take only jeera if you want. To this I am also going to add chopped green chilies. These are 2 to 3 chopped green chilies, and let the rice flutter. The gas is on low. Now in today's Kande Pohe I am not adding potato, but if you like potato you can put 1 medium chopped potato, peeled and chopped, then it will become batata pohe. But today we are making Kande Pohe, so we are not going to put potato. Now after my rye is fluttered, I'll be putting chopped onions. So for 2 cups of poha I have taken around 3 medium chopped onions. So now we will be putting 3 medium chopped onions. Let's just see if our rye is fluttered. Yes, it is fluttered. So to this let's add our chopped onions. And let's fry these onions till they are little light transparent. Gas is on high flame now. I am going to fry my onions for at least 4 to 5 minutes till they are a little bit translucent, transparent, and then I'm going to put my roasted peanuts. You can roast the peanuts separately, a handful of roasted peanuts as per your wish. You can either dry roast it or you can just roast it in 1 tablespoon of oil and keep it aside, and then we will also put our roasted peanuts. So let's fry this onion for 3 to 4 minutes. While my onions are frying, I am also going to put half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and at this point I will also put my handful of peanuts. I have dry roasted these peanuts. Peanuts taste very good in poha and even potato. So let's fry this, and I'm going to slow my gas flame now, frying it for further 2 to 3 minutes. You can see that it's 2 to 3 minutes, and now my onions have also released oil nicely. Now at this point I'm going to add my poha. Now see how the poha has become. It's nice. I can feel it in my hand that they are all soft and nice, and they will be cooked easily now. So that 2 minutes in that water is very important. not more than 2 minutes. But so let's put this poha in this. Now to this I'm also going to add my salt as per your taste, and let's mix this well. My gas is on low. Let's mix this and cook it further, and I'm also going to cover it with a lid and cover it and cook it further for 5 minutes. So let me first mix it properly. Let's cover this for 5 minutes and cook it. Okay, let's see now. It's been 5 minutes and our pohas are cooking. It's looking good. Now I'm going to also put 1 teaspoon of sugar. I like sugar in my poha, so just 1 small teaspoon. This is optional. If you want, you can put. I'm also going to garnish with coriander leaves, and most important, last but not the least, I'm going to put a half lemon juice. Now let's mix all this together. I can get a nice beautiful aroma from my poha. You can also garnish with little bit of coconut if you want to, if you like the coconut taste. So, and now our pohas are ready to serve. Eat it hot. I'll also garnish it with little bit of coconut. I like coconut in my poha. Very little you have to put, not much. So garnish with coriander and coconut, and let's just plate it. So our pohas are ready to serve. They are hot, nice, and see how it looks. Very tasty they are. I have tasted. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know. Subscribe to my channel for more such recipes, home cooking made with love. Until next time, it's bye from Dipali. See you again with some tasty recipe in my kitchen. Bye.